Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Choice watch and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button until you see the welcome message on the screen, and then you can release the button and wait until the watch boots up. And after the watch boots up, you will need to download and install the Honor Health application on the iPhone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon right here in the bottom right corner. Once it loads, the internet is quite slow, but okay. Search, then search bar, and type in Honor Health. And tap on search. And on the list of apps you should see this application, Honor Health. Tap on it, then tap on the Get button to download and install it. And wait until the application is done installing. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open. In the app you can tap on Agree. Now we need to select a service region, so scroll through the list, look for something you want to use and then tap on it, then tap on Confirm, tap on Agree again. I have problem with the internet, give me a second, I'm gonna check if I have another Wi-Fi nearby. Okay, this should be okay, so let's try again, Agree. Okay, it worked now. And once you agree to the terms of use, it will bring you to Health page, and here you need to tap on Device, tap on Add Device. It will tell you to log in into Honor ID account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Register to make a new one. I already have one, so I'm gonna enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on Login. We need to obtain the code from the email address, so tap on Obtain Code and wait for the code on the email address that is associated with your account, of course. Okay, and here we have it, and now I'm gonna enter the code from the email address. And tap on Confirm. I'm gonna tap on Trust. And as you can see, we have some pop-ups about the permissions. This one is for notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. And now we can tap on Add Device, allow the permission. And if nothing happens, tap on Add Device again. And the app should start searching for the nearby devices. It should detect your watch. And here we have it, Honor Choice. You can tap on it, tap on Agree, tap on Complete it. Oh, never mind. I know what it wants us to do. So before you tap on Complete it, maybe we can do it now. You need to go to the settings on your iPhone. So open the settings. In settings, you need to find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And what it wants us to do is to wait until this list other devices fills in and you see Honor Choice on it. And once you see it, you need to tap on the Honor Choice. And after some time, you should see the get pop-up on your watch that you want to pair the request pairing. And once you confirm it, it will appear on the list of my devices. And then you can go back to App and tap on Complete it. And it will go further basically. So my bad, you need to do that first. And in the app you will see this pop-up, tap on pair, and then you can allow ordinary permission for the location, for the notifications again, and here you can check the box if you want to automatically download updates and stuff like that through the Wi-Fi. And once you're done and tap on complete, you can set up your app, and I'm gonna skip this step, and now you should see your Honor Choice watch on the list of devices, and if you tap on it, you will see the settings page for it, and your watch should be paired with your phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.